Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. So I thought I would do something a little bit different and bring you guys along with me for my maintenance slash self-care week. Basically get my hair done, get my nails done, get pedicure, have a spa day, just all the things that I do on a regular for just like routine maintenance for me. And I thought it would be cool to bring you guys along with me. So today, the first order of business is this hair. I have a hair appointment in 15 minutes, so I gotta get going. Then I have an appointment to get my nails done, and I'm getting a pedicure. I'm getting them both done in the same appointment as I can this week because the boys are out of school for Thanksgiving break. So I'm not like pressed for time. And I have a wax appointment. PK was so sweet. He booked me a spa day at the Langham for Wednesday. So we're gonna do that as well. I'm super excited. I've not been to the Langham since my baby moon with PJ, which was before I moved to Chicago. And I absolutely love their spa. I've tried several spas in Chicago. I've done the Ritz, I've done the Peninsula, I've done Park Hyatt, maybe a couple others that I can't remember, but the Langham is my favorite. So I'm super excited about that. So we're saving the best for last. That's what's on my list of things to do. Yeah, you guys are going to spend a week of a maintenance slash self-care with me. I had a really nice workout this morning. I did cardio and I did a little bit of strength training. So that is like the kickstart to my self-care because working out is very therapeutic for me and I need to do it daily, even if I'm just going outside for a walk or if I'm just on the treadmill. Like I have to be active daily. It just helps with my mental and it just makes me feel good. And you guys know that I have been on this weight loss journey and it's going really, really well. And I'm just trying to stay consistent and, you know, do the best I can to maintain and take care of myself inside and out. So now that we have got that out of the way, let's get going. I'm wearing just a really comfy, it's like 50 degrees today. So I'm wearing a Quince cashmere sweater and joggers with my Tasman little slippers. Just a comfy day. Like I said, I'm just going to get my hair done and that'll be it for today, but then we'll do all the other things later. So let's go and get my hair done. Here's the before. I'll see you guys for the after. Alright guys, here is the after. Love it so much, y'all. Can y'all tell I'm obsessed with the middle part now? Like, who am I? Never ever in my wildest dreams would I have thought that I would be a middle part girl. But every time I sit in a chair, I'm like, yeah, I want another middle part. Like, I just love it. So, hair is done. Our next destination will be the nail salon. I'll see you guys there. Alright y'all, on my way to the nail salon. All right, y'all, so nails are done. I went with, is it Deja Brew, which I really like. It's a dark brown, very similar to the one I got the last time, but the brown really shows better in this color. So those are my nails, and I got the same exact color for my pedicure. So nails done. So my next appointment is my wax appointment, and then we're going to the spa. So let's go and get tortured. All right, y'all, so we are getting ready to head to the Langham for my spa day. I have a 90-minute massage scheduled, and I'm so excited. So I just have on bodysuit, little jacket. I already packed my tote. It is chilly. I was gonna walk, but I'm not gonna walk. I'm gonna Uber there. I got my water. I did work out this morning. So yeah, I just need to get my coat on, my shoes, and then we can go to the Langham. So yeah. Alright, y'all, just finished my massage. It was amazing, so relaxing. Now I'm headed into the locker room. Alright, so I have my toiletry bags here, and I wanted to show you guys what I packed. So I brought my Josie Marin face wipes, a little mini Donna Karen Cashmere Mist deodorant, sunscreen, Summer Fridays jet lag mask with shred, and contact lenses. So I'm glad I brought these because she did like facial massage on me. I was getting a little concerned that I might get some breakouts from whatever the oils were. So I was like, I'm glad I brought these. So I'm gonna wipe my face. There's nobody in here right now, so that's why I'm able to do this. And I didn't wear any makeup because it's kind of pointless to wear makeup to a massage. I'm just gonna reapply my sunscreen. And here, this is just all my usual stuff. A brush, a comb, and I also took one of their combs. Let's see what that's. Oh, that's cute. It's just a little wooden comb. I brought a bathing suit and flip-flops, but I'm not gonna do the pool because I don't feel like doing all that. I'm like so relaxed right now. Probably gonna stop in Nordstrom because Nordstrom is like right here and finish up my Christmas shopping for the boys. So yeah, I'll check back in with you guys later. All right, y'all, so that is going to conclude my maintenance slash self-care week. Today is actually the day after Thanksgiving. Yesterday we went out to dinner. We went to RPM Italian and had Thanksgiving dinner, which has become kind of a tradition for us, and I love it. So that was another part of my self-care because I didn't have to slave in the kitchen for Thanksgiving. Since we are in the holiday season, I highly suggest, one, taking time to just rest and actually enjoy the holiday season and not get too caught up in the gifts and just feeling rushed to do everything. Like, really just enjoy this holiday season. We are going to be decorating the tree this weekend. We're also going to go out and do some Black Friday browsing. I'm not really planning on shopping. The city is lit up. It's so beautiful. Everything is decorated. So we just want to be out in the hustle and bustle, if you know what I mean. But we're not going to do anything too crazy. Just get out for a little bit and walk around and just pop in a few stores. Also, something that I don't think people really think about when it comes to like gifts for yourself, or if your spouse or your husband or partner wants to gift you something, I would say forego the purses and shoes and perfume and all that. Something that I've done, I ask for my maintenance as a Christmas gift, a Mother's Day gift, a birthday gift. We don't think to include those things as a gift, but those are gifts. Like, I have an actual like wax package for the year. I don't have to worry about paying it. One year, PK got me a gift card to my nail salon. I didn't have to pay for a manicure or a pedicure for at least 6 months. So little things like that, those are the types of gifts that I want for Christmas or any holiday. Pay for my maintenance. Whether you are getting Botox, facials, whatever, include that in your Christmas wish list as something that you want for Christmas, because I mean, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. Even after Christmas, like, you're still able to enjoy it, especially if it's something that you enjoy doing. And I personally, you guys know, getting my nails done, getting pedicures all year round, that's my thing. That's something that I've always done. That's something that I will always do. It makes me happy. Some people don't like sitting in a nail salon. I get it. But for me, it's about the end result. It's about how it makes me feel being put together. Same with my hair. So I hope you all enjoyed coming along with me this week doing all of my routine maintenance and getting in a little bit of self-care. I had the most amazing 90-minute massage, and I will be going to her again and again and again. Book the massage this holiday season, book the facial, book the trip, book whatever it is that brings you peace, makes you happy, and allows you to just take a little bit of time for yourself, especially if you are a mom. Please take some time out for yourself during this holiday season. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.